Hello everyone, welcome again to another episode of J Vlogs. Thank you for tuning in again and checking out this video. So today I'll be looking at about 7 to 10 things that a man needs to know when talking to a Jamaican woman. Keep in mind, Jamaican women are beautiful, they're sexy, a lot of them are spontaneous. So those are some good things about a Jamaican woman. All women are beautiful, every culture is different, but I'm speaking about Jamaican woman today. So let me jump into it. First one I look at is loyalty. Jamaican women are loyal, right? So if you're about to go into a relationship with a Jamaican woman, just keep in mind that they're loyal. They will stick to you through thick and thin, right? Jamaican woman will pretty much talk to a walk foot man, as I always say it, a man will ride bicycle, him have a one bike, him not even have a car. She's still loyal to him, through everything, stand by him side, support him through it all. A lot of Jamaican women are like that. So don't watch the pocket too much. Money is important. Having assets is important as well. But just keep in mind, Jamaican women, they're very loyal. So don't have much to worry about. Once you communicate properly with her, she can understand, say, here what? This is my man and I'll work with him no matter what. So again, Jamaican women are very loyal. So keep that in mind, and that's a plus for them as well. The next thing we look at is Jamaican women. They're very, very strict when it come on to them man, right? Jamaican woman no play, none at all. Like, they'll be in a relationship and they'll find out, that, the boyfriend cheating or something like that. Keep in mind as well that most Jamaican women, them sum up things. Like, you're supposed to hear your mother used to say, me I sum it up, You give all heap of trouble and your mother sum it up. She sum up everything you do. So, she's making notes. She's making notes all of the stuff them that you're doing. So if you're a cheater, if you're a liar, she's summing it up. And Jamaican woman, them have a way to find out things. Like, them are friends. You have one bag of friend where them send for watching and all of that, and so you have to be very careful. Cheating is never good, so I won't encourage cheating. So yeah, them strict when them come on to them man. Jamaican women don't play. Them will seriously chop you up. And them will find the woman and literally beat her. Right? Them beat woman for them man. So Jamaican woman don't play. So no matter who you are, no matter which culture you come from, just be careful when you come on to Jamaican woman. Them crazy when you come on to them man. Jamaican woman simply don't play. Alright, the next thing that we'll look at is Jamaican woman. Boy, them loving, them caring and them kind. Like Jamaican women, they're so wonderful that they have so much love. They care about you, they're there for you. Like, I've seen Jamaican woman, literally come out a car and help push car and them stuff. They know for Jamaican woman, you know that already. No for no when a man car broke down and go somewhere and thing, and when you not sit down in a car, like no stush girl or nothing like that, come out of the car and lift up bonnet and them thing there and check engine with him and thing like that. So, again, Jamaican woman, them loving caring, them loving caring and kind, and them support you as well. Them not gonna see you, in an argument. Like literally, a Jamaican woman not gonna see in an argument and go like she not dead. Like, if you and a man catch up in an argument or anything, and a brother catch in an argument, like literally, she gonna jump in for you. And probably should fight the man for you. I saw Jamaican woman bad. You see me? So that is a plus. She have your back. So being a Jamaican woman is a plus. She have your back. Alright? So you know nothing to worry about. If you go road and a girl go like show on this, remember, thumb kick and box in her face. I'm just joking people. But yeah, them have your back. You see me? So yeah. And next important thing to take note of is Jamaican woman, them love sex. Yeah, you hear me say? Yes, Jamaican woman love sex. So yes, people, We're Caribbean people, full of energy, full of vibe. Sex is important in every relationship. Sex is very important. So keep note of that, right? So sex, yeah. So men, ensure that your sex game is up there, so when you can please the woman them. All right. So yeah, sex is very important in a relationship. Um, One of the biggest thing or the most important thing when dating a Jamaican woman, she's very independent, right? Keep that in mind. Jamaican women are very independent. They don't like when men take advantage of them and try to, impose their masculinity in a relationship and, try to do, everything. Some Jamaican women, like literally, can make it on them own, them can survive on them own. Most of them are entrepreneurs, they go out there and hunt it like one man hunt it. And I love that about Jamaican women. They're independent, most of them don't depend on a man. Alright, so if you're in a relationship with a Jamaican woman, just keep that in mind that bam, she's independent and she's a go-getter and she'll go after it, right? So meanwhile you're doing what you're doing, she wants to get her education as well. She wants to get a good job. She wants to buy stuff. So don't let that affect the relationship, or don't let that, don't have a big ego where you're saying that, oh, you're the man, you're supposed to, take the lead and this. And, yeah, you take the lead, but have her by your side, A strong man need a strong woman, to make the relationship flow, yin and yang. So you need that as well. You need that independence, and it's very good to know that your woman is independent. So you can, give her certain tasks and let her help your business and stuff like that. So that is a plus to a Jamaican woman again. So big up on yourself, all like Jamaican woman, you know that. So Jamaican woman, one thing if you keep in mind again, them love cause bad word. Like literally. Jamaican woman just chip it when they're mad. Like you'll get in an argument with a Jamaican woman and thing, and out of nowhere, she just send you up in your mother. She send you up in your sister, in your auntie, in your father. She send in your whole generation. And she'll tell you about how much I suck and eat and yam what you do. So keep in mind that be calm when she start cussing her bad word. Try for us ignore it for a little bit when she calm down now. Because Jamaican women have a tendency for us get mad. Right? Most women in general, them get mad, right? But Jamaican woman just cuss them bad word. Right? Them just cuss it and them not care. And when them calm down now, them kind of care and realize, say, yeah, them wrong. But them just cuss them bad word first. I just have to take it. So as a man, you have to be strong. And them will push a limit. Them push it so much. Some of them, like Jamaican woman have this habit. Lick me if you're bad. Like, you never argue and no licking that in there, right? She wanted to hit her, right? Half of hit her, like, babes. Say make too much nice and this and that. Lick me if you're bad. So Jamaican woman have the tendency for offer you all sort of foolishness and tell you to lick them and this and that and how much them will do. So, be very cautious when you come on to that. They will tempt you to do them things. As you know, Jamaicans, we have a temper at times, but yeah, it's good. A lot of Jamaican women, they tend to be miserable at times, because, most men in general are miserable. But men, seriously, if you're with a woman, whether Jamaican, American, Mexican, any other culture, you have to pretty much understand the type of woman you're going to deal with or the type of woman that you have in a relationship, and know that females are miserable overall, but some Jamaican women love when you sweet them up. So, carry her out, say certain things to her, call her beautiful baby, every little thing like that, buy her ice cream, cheer her up, hug her up, if she want an argument, just flip the script on her. Like literally, flip the script. Run go hug her up, kiss her, ignore the entire argument. A lot of men don't realize that instead of doing the opposite of what she's doing, can actually help. Say if you realize, say, woman agitated, need an argument with her. No push her to the limit or nothing like that. Just simply go there, hug her up, babes, who are going, love her up, friend her up, something. Just ignore say the fact that only even not argue. Just literally do something out of the blues where she not gonna expect. Cause women are like this. Like based on my understanding, women love to argue and they entertain an argument at all times. So you have to keep in mind that you have to change it up a little bit to really, get rid of that negative energy or that bad vibe there. So, per se. So yeah, those are my few things. Let me do a little recap. So Jamaican women are loyal, very loyal. They're strict when it come on to them, man. Jamaican woman simply don't play. So remember that. I'm loving, caring, and kind. That's very good. Every man love that. Jamaican woman love the sex. So yeah, ensure that your sex game they up there. Alright? So yeah, them independent. Yeah, big up Jamaican woman them. When independent, I rate that. Keep it up. Alright? Them love to argue. Love to argue. Love to cuss the bad word them. So expect those bad words. Remember, you gotta hear about the whole age generation. Like from way back from slavery days. You gotta hear about it. So just expect those bad words and try to counter them. But yeah. And last but not least, Jamaican woman, some of them just miserable. But overall, they're good. So yeah, that's the end of it. I want to thank everyone again for tuning in. Thanks for all the support. Continue to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy the day, people. I'm out.